Hey guys, in today's video we are going to see how to melt chocolate on stove or using a double boiler setup. We are going to melt both dark chocolate and white chocolate, so be sure to stick around till the end to know what to do when your chocolate seizes. I'm using Mordae's compound dark and white chocolate. Let's chop them into smaller pieces. If you do not want to chop them, you can also grate your chocolate so that it will be easily melted. Now add them to a glass or heat-proof bowl. You can melt them using a steel bowl as well. Let's repeat the same steps with dark chocolate. Certain important things to keep in mind while melting the chocolate is the utensils that you use to melt the chocolate, the chopping board, the knife, the spatula should all be dry. There should be no moisture. Now for the double boiler setup, let's place some pan with water. I have only filled 1/4 of water. Let the water come to a boil. If you think the water is overboiled, put it to a simmer. Be sure to remember that the water in the pot should not touch the bowl with the chocolate. Chocolate will start melting with the heat of the water. In case you feel the water starts boiling, you can switch off the gas. Remember, the water should just be hot and not boiling. Otherwise, there are chances that your chocolate might burn or the moisture can get into the chocolate. Look how beautifully the chocolate is melted and how smooth and silky this looks. Wipe the bottom of the bowl once the chocolate is melted to remove excess heat and prevent condensation. Repeat the same steps with dark chocolate. Melting chocolate on stovetop will give you control over how the chocolate is melted, also will avoid it from burning. Do not cover the chocolate and melt them because the water droplets might get into the chocolate, which will release moisture and make the chocolate seize. Keep stirring the chocolate occasionally so that the heat is evenly distributed and helps in smooth melting of chocolate. The consistency of the melted chocolate should look somewhat like this. Chocolate tends to burn very easily, so it is important it's never melted on a direct heat. If the chocolate is melted correctly, it will have a very shiny and a smooth texture as shown in the video. Now let's see how to deal with seized chocolate. Add a teaspoon of boiling water one at a time and stir them well. You can also add hot milk so that it will get back to its regular texture. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment or suggestions in the comment section down below. Now you can click on any of the videos displayed on your screen and I will see you in that video. Bye guys.